YouTube Success Unlocked. 5 Top Secret Strategies for Channel Growth. Hi dear, welcome to Techstride. Are you a YouTube creator looking to take your channel to new heights? In this video, we'll uncover 5 top secret strategies that can help you grow your YouTube channel. With billions of users and a huge audience, YouTube offers content creators immense potential to reach and engage with their target audience. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your videos, increase visibility, and attract more subscribers, ultimately accelerating your channel's growth. So let's discuss the main point of the video. YouTube channel growth is the key to unlocking opportunities for content creators. It enables you to reach a larger audience, gain more views, increase subscribers, and ultimately monetize your channel. However, achieving substantial growth requires a well-thought-out approach and the implementation of proven strategies. Strategy 1. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. The first strategy to increase the growth of your YouTube channel is to optimize your video titles and descriptions. It is very important to create a catchy headline that accurately represents your content while attracting attention. Include relevant keywords to increase your video's discoverability in search results. Additionally, write a detailed description that provides a summary of your video, including relevant keywords and links to your website or social media profile. A good title and description helps your video reach more viewers. Strategy 2. Create engaging thumbnail images. Thumbnail images play an important role in attracting viewers to click on your videos. Create visually appealing and engaging thumbnails that entice users to view your content. Use high-quality images, vibrant colors, and text overlays to highlight the main theme of the video, including an element of curiosity or intrigue, can make your thumbnails more clickable, increasing the likelihood of driving traffic to your YouTube channel. If your thumbnail is good, if it can attract people, then your video is more likely to get views. So, while making thumbnails, make sure to take some time to think and make interesting thumbnails. And bonus tips for you. A/B test your thumbnails. To further optimize your thumbnail strategy, consider conducting a /B testing. Create multiple versions of your thumbnails and analyze which ones produce higher click-through rates. Experiment with different colors, text placement, and images to determine the most effective thumbnail design for your target audience. Strategy 3. Consistently upload high-quality content. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Regularly uploading high-quality videos not only keeps your existing subscribers engaged, but also attracts new viewers. Focus on providing valuable and informative content aligned with your niche. Invest in good equipment, ensure high production standards, and pay attention to audio and video quality. Make your videos in such a way that viewers are always interested in watching your videos. And bonus tips for you. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can expose your channel to a wider audience. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos, shoutouts, or even joint projects by cross-promoting each other's channels. You can tap into each other's subscriber base and mutually accelerate your growth. Strategy 4. Take advantage of social media and cross-promotion. To maximize the growth of your YouTube channel, leverage the power of social media platforms to promote your videos on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Depending on your target audience, create engaging snippets or teasers to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Cross-promote your content by embedding videos in blog posts, sharing links in your email newsletter, or featuring them on your website. Engage with your social media audience by replying to comments, conducting live Q&A sessions, and hosting giveaways or contests. Building a strong community around your content builds loyalty and encourages viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel for more updates. Strategy 5. Engage with your audience and encourage subscriptions. Building a loyal customer base is crucial for sustainable growth. Engage with your audience through the comments section. Answer their questions and show genuine interest in their feedback. Ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel at the end of each video, reminding them of the value they get by being a subscriber. Consider offering exclusive content or special benefits to encourage membership. Last tips, this is very helpful technique. Utilize end screens and cards. End screens and cards are powerful tools that allow you to promote other videos, playlists, or external links within your YouTube videos. Use these features strategically to direct viewers to view more of your content or subscribe to your channel. You must link your popular videos on the last screen. If you want, you can give your channel and link. Expanding your YouTube channel requires a comprehensive approach. By applying the 5 top secret strategies mentioned in this video, you can optimize your videos, increase engagement, and attract a larger audience. Remember to consistently create high-quality content, leverage social media platforms, engage with your audience, and optimize your video content. With dedication, persistence, and these strategies, your YouTube channel growth will undoubtedly explode. Thanks for watching this video on Techstride. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with YouTube channel growing, leave a comment down below. Until next time, keep innovating and keep striving for success. Bye.